Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to apply a shadow to a text box in Microsoft PowerPoint. So by the end of this video, you should be able to create a slide that looks like this, that has a shadowed effect with the text that has been added to a text box. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I am in a blank PowerPoint slide. And to begin, I'm going to go up to Insert and go over here to Text Box. And I'm going to just click and type Text Shadow. Now let's just make this text box a little bit bigger so that the shadow will be more pronounced. So I'm going to go to Home, and I'm going to select this font right here, and let's make it about 96. And then I'm just going to center the box. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And once I have this box selected, you can see that shape format has come up here on the menu bar. So I'm going to click that to see the shape format ribbon. And then I'm going to go to Text Effects, Shadow, and select this second option right here. And I can sort of see a gray shadow behind the text. But if I go back to Text Effects and I go to Shadow and I go down here to Shadow Options, I can actually pick a different color. So I can pick a green shadow or any one of these other colors. The shadow's pretty faint right now. So what I would like to do is up the size. So let's just go to about 104. And if I click off that, you should now see a pretty thick shadow behind my text. So we go into this a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.